Hi Lovies, how are you doing? I hope you're doing well. I'm good too. Welcome back to my channel. I'm very thankful you come back to view my video. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can achieve this box braid with short and thick natural hair. But if it's the first time you are viewing my video, hello, how are you? Welcome. My name is Glory Mtui. Before you leave, kindly subscribe, give this video a big thumbs up, and also help me to share this video as much as you can with your loved one. That means a lot to me. In today's video, I'll be using this gel to part my section, and I'll part not too small. After I finish part, I'll comb, and I'll be using 3-strand method. So after I make my hair like this, I will use one section to wrap on natural hair. I will wrap 2 times. The third one I will hold over there, and then I will divide natural hair into 2 and braiding hair into 2, so that I can have 3 even strand. All the way when I am braiding, I make sure I put natural hair under braiding so that natural hair will be covered with braiding. So after I put natural hair under, I'll push braiding hair like side so that I'll be cover natural hair well. Then I'll continue braiding. If you divide your braiding hair into 3 even parts, you'll find all the way when you're braiding, no need to add any hair from right to left. The hair you divide or the strand you make they're even, so you'll braid all the way down without adding any hair. So again, I part the section. This is the section I'll be using of braiding hair, and I cross middle like this. When I divide my braiding hair, one side I put 2/3, while other side I put 1/3. So 1/3 section will be the one I'll be using to cover middle, and it will be the same section I'll be using to wrap on natural hair. I only wrap 2 times. The third one I hold with my another hand, or I hold with my left hand, while my right hand help me to divide natural hair into 2 and braiding hair into 2, so that I'll have 3 strands. So after I finish dividing natural hair and the braiding hair into 2, the first section to start braiding will be the section I use wrapping, so that the hair will not unravel. The section I use wrapping will be the first section to braid, to avoid the hair to slide or to avoid the hair to unravel. I hope this makes sense. And after that, I'll continue braiding just the normal way. All the way when I'm braiding, I cover natural hair so that natural hair will not show out. And if you use this method, no matter which color of braiding hair you use, you'll find natural hair cannot show out. Completely will not show out. It's just the way you only hold your hair, just the way you only hide the natural hair. This method is beginners friendly, and the good thing is because you start from 3 strands from the beginning, and you also wrap the roots well, so you'll find you hold the natural hair very, very well. The hair does not slide down, and natural hair is on point, yet you'll get very clean and neat box braid. The most important is to make sure when you are dividing your braiding hair, try as much as you can to make 3 even strands, so that you can get even strand. When you are braiding, you no need to add any hair from any side, so that you can get very clean braid. And another thing, when you are part your hair, if you have gel, will help you to get very neat and clean section, because once you apply some gel, you hold well even those very small hair, especially if hair is natural. Like my customer, her hair is very short and yet thick, so using gel to section her hair, I find it's very easy. Braiding, no need to apply gel, but once you use gel to part, you'll find everything it's more easy. So guys, again, I take section, I wrap 2 times, then my left hand helped me to hold mid of the section, my right hand helped me divide natural hair into 2 and braiding hair into 2, and then I start braiding. And it's very, very easy, as you see. Don't forget to put natural hair under so that natural hair will be covered well. Even if it's natural hair, your client's hair will take a long time without natural hair to show out. But once you not cover natural hair well, you know our natural hair how it behaves, very easy to show out. But once you cover, like everything be neat, you'll find you get very neat box braid and very clean hair. So here I'm done with braiding. I only braid half, so this other half braiding I'll be braiding off the camera, but I'll show you like 2 or 3 strands, like how I braid others side of this braiding, and then those other parts I'll be braiding off the camera, and we'll be back to show you guys the final results for this tutorial. So keep watching. So here, because the section I part I tried to make even, I don't need to add any hair. As you see, I braid all the way down. Or if you find out the section you part you make one smaller, one bigger, you may add a little bit section of hair when you are braiding, but just make sure every time when you add, take a very little section, and you'll find your braiding hair does not show like where you add hair. If you take a very small section, you'll find your braiding hair become very clean. And another thing, when you want to add hair, don't add hair at the middle section. Every time when you want to add hair with the right section and left section. Just add small section and keep braiding several steps, then add again. Braid several steps and then add again. If you do that, you'll find you'll get very beautiful strand, and your hair will not show like where you add, will not show those curves or things like this. So here I'm done with braiding. I go ahead and put this hair into hot water. This water is very hot. I think you can see how hot it is. And then I'm so careful at this point because I don't want to hurt my clients. So after I take my towel and make this hair a little bit dry, and then I fix her edges. And guys, this is the final results for today's video. I hope you enjoy watching this video and you get something. If yes, kindly subscribe, give this video a big thumbs up, and please don't forget to share with your loved one. I love you so much, and I'll see you soon on my next video. Bye bye.